What if I told you that money isn't just about numbers? It's about how you think. This is the core idea behind the psychology of money. Your financial reality is shaped more by your brain than your bank statement. The field of behavioral economics explains why two people earning the exact same income can end up in completely different financial situations. The real difference maker isn't income, it's mindset. It's how you approach decisions related to money. Let's examine the common patterns found in the financial struggle mindset. Many who struggle financially fall into patterns like spending money simply to feel better in the present moment, rather than saving. Another pattern is avoiding risks, which includes shying away from investment opportunities that carry perceived uncertainty, preventing potential growth. Finally, people who struggle often focus only on short-term needs, prioritizing immediate consumption over future financial security. In contrast, here are the characteristics of a wealth-building mindset. People who build wealth tend to think long-term, evaluating how today's decisions will impact their financial standing years down the road. They are skilled at delaying gratification, choosing to save and invest rather than indulging in immediate, unnecessary purchases. Their financial decisions are based on future value, carefully weighing the benefit of an action against potential future gains, rather than current emotions. It's important to remember that building wealth isn't about being smarter. It's about habits. Small choices, repeated every single day, slowly but surely shape your entire financial life. That's the psychology of money. Your behavior matters far more than the size of your paycheck. If you are ready to change your financial future, you have the power to start today. Don't just chase money, change the way you think about it.